Agriculture is the key development in the rise of human civilization. Regeneration of young farmers is very needed in developing Indonesia's agricultural sector. Therefore, the Agriculture Ministry of Indonesia runs a vocational education program named as Agricultural Development Polytechnic, or in Bahasa, we know that is Polbangtan. Actually, there are 6 Polbangtan in Indonesia. But now, here I am, Nazlia Rahma Susanto from Plantation Plant Production Technology class, would like to tell you a little story about Polbangtan Medan. So, let's check it out. Ladies and gentlemen, Polbangtan Medan is located on Binjai Street, Kilometer 10, Trommel Post number 18, Payagali, Kecamatan Sunggal, Kabupaten Deli Serdang, North Sumatra. Well, it is not so far from the center of Medan City, just about 30 minutes to get from the center of Medan City to Polbangtan Medan. And then you can't know the exact location of Polbangtan Medan because it is near the Regional Disaster Management Agency Office, or BPBD of Medan. And then, in the front of our college, there is the gate with the name of Polbangtan Medan as the sign. You can see it clearly. Or, if you want to get the direction from your place to Polbangtan Medan, you can search it in Google Maps with the keywords Polbangtan Medan, so you can get the direction directly to our college. Have you known about the history of Polbangtan Medan? Well, I would like to tell you the history of Polbangtan Medan briefly. Ladies and gentlemen, the building of Polbangtan Medan had been built in 1986, but the name is not Polbangtan Medan. It was for Diploma 3 Agricultural Extension Expert. It was just until 1988, and in 1989, it was transformed into Agricultural Extension Education and Training Academy. It was until 1992, and then in 1993, it was transformed into Agricultural Extension Expert, or in Bahasa, we know that as APP Medan. APP Medan, after 9 years, transformed again into Agricultural Extension College, or in Bahasa, we know that it is as STPP Medan. STPP Medan was educated their students from 2002 until 2017, and in 2018, it has transformed into Agricultural Development Polytechnic of Medan, or in Bahasa, now we know that it is Polbangtan Medan. Well, after talking about the history of Polbangtan Medan, I would like to tell you the aim of Polbangtan Medan. Ladies and gentlemen, as we know that agriculture is a very important sector that have to be always continued and developed, because as human beings who need food to survive, we need agriculture to fulfill our daily food needs. But year by year, the interest of young generation to work as farmers or to work in agriculture sector has become lower and lower year by year. That's why, under the Ministry of Agriculture in Indonesia, Polbangtan Medan has aimed to create the graduates who are competent, professional, independent and competitive in plantation and agriculture, and also have spirit to the nation and the country. Well, ladies and gentlemen, what does it mean competent, professional, competitive, and independent means? Well, I will explain it to you. Competent means the graduates of Polbangtan Medan are the experts of agriculture. They have wide knowledge and a lot of experiences in agriculture. And professional. So in Polbangtan Medan, the students are not only taught the theory about agriculture, but they are also taught the theory and the practice in working. So later, in the working environment, the students can work based on their standard operation procedure as their occupation. Well, ladies and gentlemen, independent and competitive, what does it mean? It means Polbangtan Medan encourage their students not to open or to create or becoming job creator rather than becoming job seeker. So it means that the students are expected to open, to develop, to create business in agriculture so they can open job vacancies to others. And then have the spirit of service to the nation and country. What does it mean? It means that Polbangtan Medan educates their students to give their contribution, to give their dedication in keeping the sustainability of the food security in Indonesia. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you have to know that Polbangtan Medan have 2 majors or departments. The first one is agriculture and the second one is plantation. Well, the agriculture major has just one study program. It is Extension of Sustainable Agriculture, or in Bahasa, we call it as STAN. And the plantation major has two study programs. The first one is Extension of Precision Plantation, or in Bahasa, we call it as BUN. And then the second one is Plantation Plant Production Technology, or TPTP. I am one of the member of TPTP. Well, actually, TPTP is a new study program. It has opened since 2018 and it has different goal from the other two measures or two study programs. So TPTP goal is to create the graduates who are professional to be garden assistant. Meanwhile, the other two study programs, their goal is to create the extension expert in plantation and agriculture. So, how is the learning method in Polbangtan Medan? Well, ladies and gentlemen, Polbangtan Medan adopts teaching factory system as its learning method. So, this learning method adopts a system of 30% for theory and 70% for practice. So, this learning method invites the students to enter the real farming environment at work. So later, they will not be surprised anymore when they are working, when they are cultivating the farm. To support the teaching learning process and to reach its vision and mission, Polbangtan Medan provides some facilities for the students. Here, the first one is auditorium. So it is big enough auditorium to have students' deliberation, seminars, and other meetings that the students have to be participated in. And the second one, Polbangtan Medan also has Kostra Tani Hall. Well, it is a new building of Polbangtan Medan. It has just been finished to build in 2020. It is for the implementation of the new program of Agriculture Ministry of Indonesia, that is Kostra Tani. And the third one is Polbangtan Medan has dormitory. So I think it is the unique one from Polbangtan Medan. In 4 years or during the education program, the students of Polbangtan Medan have to stay or live in the dormitory in Polbangtan Medan. So they cannot go outside freely. They just can go outside on Sundays. Usually it starts from 10 a.m. and they have to go back to the dormitory at 8 p.m. And the fourth is to expand the knowledge of the students. Polbangtan Medan also has the library with a lot of collection of book, and especially it is about agriculture. And the students there can read the books and study quietly in order to increase their knowledge, especially about agriculture. And here is the special one of Polbangtan Medan. So Polbangtan Medan has big enough farmland for the students to practice, to apply the theory that they have got from the class. You know, the students can cultivate the farmland in order that later in the working environment they can cultivate, they will not be surprised in cultivating the farmland. So the students can get enough experiences in cultivating the farmland from Polbangtan Medan. I really have a lot of hopes for Polbangtan Medan as my college, but surely I hope that Polbangtan Medan is getting better and better year by year, not only from the bureaucracy, the facilities, the students and the lectures, but also from the curriculum. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's all about the little story of Polbangtan Medan from me. I hope this video is useful for us. And thank you for your nice attention and see you on the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.